Hey guys, welcome to the next video on Redis tutorial for beginners. In this video we will learn how to use Redis publish subscribe. So Redis publish subscribe implements the messaging system where sender is called the publisher and the receiver is called the subscriber, right? Now in Redis, a client can subscribe to any number of channels. So let me give you an example and let me show you how you can use Redis publish subscribe. So you can see I have opened 3 Redis CLI terminals in 3 different terminals, right? So this is Redis CLI first terminal, second terminal and third terminal. Now first of all, I am going to subscribe to a channel, so I can just write subscribe here, and then it takes a channel name, right? And I can give any channel name, for example Redis or any other channel name, so for example my channel, and I can subscribe to this channel. Okay, so the name depends upon you, right? So for example, I subscribe to the channel called Redis and I just press enter. So now this terminal is subscribed to this channel, right? Now from the second CLI, when I publish some message to this channel, so let me publish something. So to publish a message, you can just use a keyword publish, as we have seen in subscribe. So to subscribe, you use a keyword subscribe and then a channel name. For publishing, you use a keyword publish and the channel name on which you want to publish, right? So I want to publish on the Redis channel, and then your message, for example hi, right? And I press enter, and you can see on the subscriber it gets the same message. So first of all, it will just show you what kind of message is coming. So it's a message, and then on what channel it's coming and what is the message itself, right? Now if you want to send a big message, you can just enclose your message inside these double quotes. So for example hello world here, and then press enter, then it's received here. Okay, now it's possible to subscribe to any number of channels, right? So you can see I'm subscribed to Redis from one channel. Now I can just copy the same command in the next terminal here, and then I'm subscribed to this channel. So now there are 2 subscribers subscribed to one Redis channel. So this is the channel and I'm subscribed to that channel, right? So there are 2 subscribers for the channel name Redis, and when I just send hello world again, for example, now it is received by both the subscribers, right? So you can see hello world is received here and hello world is received here. Okay, so this is how publish subscribe method work in Redis. Now when you are doing or using Redis in the programming, then it's really important or it's really useful. So for example, recently I created some kind of API where I wanted to listen for any event for save in Redis. So whatever is saved, whenever some command comes and something is saved in Redis, I wanted to subscribe to that save event, right? And I have used this publish subscribe method from Redis in that API, and it worked fine. So it's kind of listening to the trigger, for example for saving the data or some deletion of data. You can subscribe and then you will get this message on the next side which is subscribing, and based on that subscription you can trigger some event. Okay, now let me just close this CLI and once again open the CLI once again, and let me clear the terminal once again. And there is a command called psubscribe, so you can do psubscribe and then it takes the pattern. So for example, I can just write R and then asterisk. R asterisk here means any publisher, when it's published on the channel name which start with R, it will receive that message. So for example, I am publishing this publish Redis because this pattern matches this pattern. So asterisk is some kind of a wildcard here. So it's whatever. So for example, I'm subscribing to R asterisk and I'm just publishing the same message again, and you can see it's receiving that message because it's just matching the pattern. Whatever publisher publishes on the pattern which matches R asterisk, for example R, and whatever comes after R, this is matching that pattern, so it will receive that message. For example, I can just do something like this. So I publish on RX, for example. This also matches this pattern, right? Because we just want to match the first letter of that channel, and whatever comes after that, it will be matched automatically. So this is kind of a pattern matching in Redis. So p subscribe is used to pattern matching, and whatever publisher channel matches that pattern, it will be receiving that message. So you can see this is receiving that message, but this CLI is not receiving. So because we have subscribed to a concrete channel here which is not a pattern, so whenever we just give the Redis channel itself, then only it will receive the message, and this automatically receives the message because here we are just matching the pattern. Okay, so in this way you can use publish subscribe in Redis. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.